Hey, it's your girl Chab, and today I'm coming at you with a review on the new Revlon Skinlights, and I have the Prismatic highlighter in the shade Daybreak Glimmer and the Prismatic bronzer in the shade Sun-Kissed Beam. As soon as I saw these at the drugstore, at Walgreens specifically, hashtag not sponsor, I knew these were gonna be some high-end dupes, okay? So for the highlighter, look at her, look at hashtag love wins. Look at this, okay? What does this remind you of? It reminds me of the amrezy highlighter from ABH. Like, look at her, look at them together side by side. Can you believe that? I think we have a treasure trove. I think we have a dupe on our hands. And then the other one, Skinlights, this prismatic bronzer. This is very similar to, I know this is a two-pan process here, but this kind of reminds me of this situation right here from Cover FX, a monochromatic bronzer duo in the shade Sun-Kissed Bronze. And the names are pretty similar. So if you want to know how it wears on the skin, if these are actually low-end dupes for high-end products, if you want to know if you should go and pass on them high-end jumps and get these drugstore finds here, then let's get started. All right, guys, so as always with any product review, I like to read about it, just get a little preface, just so y'all know the tea. But if you don't want to hear me ramble and rant and read, then you could skip to here. You're welcome. My phone right here is on silent, on autopilot. ASMR. I just want you guys to feel the tingles, but then also be very much afraid because I'm loud. So let's talk about the products right here. I am on Revlon.com. We're talking about the Skinlights Prismatic highlighter first. There are 3 different shades. This product is for $11.99. There are no reviews on it because it's new. The description, it says, meet the powder highlighter that puts all other powder highlighters to shame. Silky smooth, so it becomes one with your skin and spiked with the perfect amount of shimmer. This highlighter reflects like no other, using crystal-like pigments that give a multi-dimensional glow, so you always capture your best light. Excuse me. The details, it says right here, I'm just gonna read it because there's too many bullet points. We just gonna read right through them. It's a light reflective powder that it's infused with. We already talked about that. We're not being redundant, not on my channel. Feels like silk, and it isn't one of those chalky highlighters. That's what Revlon be saying, okay? So you apply it seamlessly smooth and blends with your skin. It feels weightless, delivers even radiance and all natural glow. It looks natural. Girl, you see my cheeks? Does it look natural? Leave a comment down below. It doesn't have any glitter. You can control your glow. It's buildable. It is a highlighter that is made without parabens, and it's fragrance free, and it comes in 3 different shades. Amazing. Now let's talk about the prismatic bronzer right here. It's a believable bronze multi-dimensional glow. This one is also for $11.99, and it comes in 3 different shades and stuff. It says get the glow that truly glistens with our latest prismatic powder bronzer infused with light capturing crystal-like pigment. You better stop putting them words that are the same on the girl. Oh boy. Hashtag love ones. Okay, this bronzer's innovative technology creates the effect of glowing skin with depth and dimension. Whether you want to add a subtle touch of sun-kissed warmth or a bold bronze with believable radiance for a contoured look, our uniquely buildable formula can get you there. Thank you so much, Revlon. Anyways, it says details. We're gonna just like skim through it. Like I said, it's a light reflective, so it gives you that multi-dimensional feel. It's never flat, and it always captures your best light. Thank you so much, Revlon, for capturing my best light. I appreciate it. It doesn't feel chalky. It's weightless and gives you an even polish effect. effect. They recreated a sun-kissed bronze with a true to life golden and reddish tones for a believable warm finish without unnatural glitter going on. You can bronze it all up for a warm glow or add some definition like contour. It's your best bronzer. It's a translucent to buildable coverage and stuff. It's also fragrance free and paraben free, and like I said, it comes in 3 shades. All right, so let's talk about the products here. Like I said, as soon as I saw these at Walgreens, I was like, bruh, these look like doopity doodas. Okay, let's talk about the highlighter real quick here. First of all, you know your girl love a highlighter. And one of my favoritos, okay, is the amrezy highlighter. It is limited edition. I know they brought it out once and then they brought it out again. Girls and boys, okay, like this highlighter, man, I try not to use it very often because I'm like, it's limited edition. But then as soon as I saw this, I was like, this pan, this sheen, this something looks so familiar. So let's look at them side by side real quick. Here we go, here we are. So first, we're gonna swatch what we already know, which is the ABH amrezy highlighter here. Look at her, look at her. Let's swatch it on the hand. So this is the amrezy highlighter, and then just do a little bit of that, like texture wise, feels so. Look at her, look at her. Look at them together side by side almost. So this one is the amrezy highlighter, and this one is the Skinlight. Guys, I don't know about you, but I think I found a doopity doo dah right there. That's a doopity doo dah. The texture of it feels so similar, where it's almost kind of like not quite a powder. It's so smooth. It's packed so tightly. It has like the subtle wave. They have this like similar design, except for this one looks like it has dragon scales on it or whatever. I already used a lot of it, okay? Because when I saw this, I was like, bro, are you for real? Are you for real? Like, it definitely gives you that like multi-dimension skin like look, and if you pack it on, it gets packed on just like the amrezy one does. I'm just like trying to think, is this the same highlighter as that one? It's not glittery, it's very shimmery, makes your face look wet, it makes it look dewy, it makes it look like you were born to glow this way. Biatch. I don't have any cons, honestly. Like, I'm not even, we're gonna move on, okay? Let's talk about the bronzer, okay? I'm very particular about my bronzers. I actually don't have a ton of bronzers. Actually, I do. I'm lying. I got a lot of bronzer stuff, but I'm very particular about my bronzers and what I use on my day-to-day basis. So with me, bronzers and stuff are more like, you know, I just want a touch of color. I just want a little bit of a glow, but like not the highlighter part. I just want something that's gonna give me dimension to the skin without doing contour. And when I saw this one, I was like, this kind of reminds me of the monochromatic bronzer duo here, and I use this junk constantly. I don't know if you can see this pan right here. It is dirty, is nasty, is musty, is crusty. I'm denting this pan for sure, and I really like that there's 2 different ones. I already did a review on this. Check the link up above, and I probably didn't link it anyway, so check the description, because you know what? YouTubers who have full-time jobs, it ain't easy being cheesy. So let's go back to this one right here, because this is what we're reviewing and stuff. Let me swatch her real quick. What the description says, it goes on translucent at first, but it builds up. But as you can see right here, for my skin color at least, this is not too red and not too orange. Honestly, it's like the very like in between, gives you that warm glow. So if you like layer on another layer, it still doesn't look heavy. It looks so smooth. Like the way that they formulated this, I feel like it just looks so smooth on the skin. Let's do a swatchy swatch with these. So what I like to do is I'll mix the 2 together. I mix a little bit of the shiny one and the non-shiny one, and I'll just swatch it right next to it. And if you look at it, okay, guys, I did a thing. Look at it. It's the same freaking color. This one's the Cover FX, and this one is the Revlon one. Guys, the Cover FX one might be just a little bit redder, a little bit darker, but guys, this is the same freaking thing. Giving you dimension, giving you glow, giving you shine. Come at me, okay? Don't even tell me that I'm wrong. I'm right. I know I'm right. I'm always right. I may not be a Virgo, okay? But I'm right, and I'm extra. I'm a Sagittarius. But anyway, hello? These are dupes. I think I found something here. I think Revlon just did a thing. Let's just get on to the pros and cons, okay? So the pros are, these are not $40 $30, $20, okay? They're $11.99 each, okay? These are gonna give you skin-like capabilities, long-lasting, dupeable, makes the color, like the colors are dupe for higher end, highly coveted products. It stays natural. Like, there's so many great qualities. Like I said, I just want to look like a supermodel. I want to look like a glowing goddess. I want to look like somebody out here just bless me, okay? My guardian angel was like,
I don't need all of this holiness and I just need to give you some, okay?
And you're gonna look like you just stepped out of the gates of heaven with your beautiful self. Look, my hair's all big, my face all glowy, I'm looking perfect, okay? And it's because of these products. I wore them on my skin today. Are there cons? I mean, if I'm gonna have to pull one out of my butt, it's the packaging, I guess, because, I mean, it don't look too fancy or whatever, but I mean, look at the pans. The pans are freaking beautiful. Like, do you see this? They do a design? Did they do a thing? You darn skippy, they did a thing. Excuse me, Revlon, who said you could do this to us? Who said you could do this to the kids? I don't know, but thank you. Guys, this is a mess of a video because, you know, I was done shooked and stuff. I think you already know what my final thoughts are, but because your girl Chab is a musician, we gonna do a drum roll anyway. How do I feel about the Revlon Skinlights, the prismatic highlighter and the bronzer? They are Chab proof. I don't even need to waste y'all's time, okay? You want to see this real quick? I know I already got some highlighter on. I just want to test out the highlighter. I'm just going to show you. I already got it on. Let's put it right here. Let's put it on my chin, okay? The first chin, not the second one. You ready for this? What are you doing? Go to Walgreens and buy it. Hashtag not spawned. Go buy it. Hello? Leave a comment down below. Have you tried these products out yet? Do you believe me that these are dupes? Because I'm telling you right now, I'm proving it to you. It's like I've seen an alien and stuff and y'all are just like, I don't know nothing about that. You better freaking get that education. You better listen up. Listen up, guys. These are beautiful. I don't see anything problematic about Revlon and stuff. I really like Revlon products. One of my favorite hair tools are from Revlon. Some of their foundations, the Candid foundation that I tried before, that one was good. Color Stay, like Revlon be, you know, they be messing it up for the kids and stuff. You don't even freaking know. Leave a comment down below. Have you tried these products out yet? How do you feel about it? Are you gonna go buy it? Are you gonna go get it? Because I think that these are solid dupes for these higher end products here. Stir up my engagement, all right? Start talking to me. Y'all from Reddit, have a conversation. Y'all wanna talk on Reddit. Can't be talking about a comment section because you know I'll read it. Well, guess what, Reddit? I'll be reading stuff on Reddit too, so thank you for the nice words. So anyway, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and follow me on all these social medias down below right here. And ding ding, hit the notification bell because your girl, they do videos every Friday. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions or what you would like to see next. As always, thank you for watching. Bye. Pulls all puts all other why can't I read it right? Creates the effect of, why am I reading it like that? Now let's do a swatchy swatch with, my watch is telling me to breathe.